then effectively describes the data which will be necessary for an adequate test of the hypothesis and explain how such data will be obtained. Describe the methods, lastly, of analysis, which will be applied to the data in determining whether or not the hypotheses are true or false. So, some basic characteristics of research design are common. So, different research design types, the characteristics of research are this: neutrality, reliability, validity, and generalization. So, what is neutrality? We'll further deeply dive into this. Right from the study assumptions to setting up the study, a neutral stance must be maintained, free of preconceived notions, which is a very important point for a researcher. There should not be any preconceived notions before they start their study. The researcher's expectations or beliefs should not color the findings or interpretations of the findings. Accordingly, a good research design should address potential source of bias and confounding factors to be able to yield unbiased and neutral results. Next is reliability. Reliability is one of the characteristics of research design that refers to consistency in measurement over repeated measures and fewer random errors. A reliable research design must allow for result to be consistent with few errors due to chances. Third is validity. What does validity refer to? Validity refers to the minimization of non-random errors. That should be a systematic one. A good research design must employ measurement tools that ensures validity of the results. Lastly, generalization. The outcome of the research design should be applicable to a larger population and not just a small sample. A generalized method means the study can be conducted on any part of a population with similar accuracy. So, a well planned research design is critical for conducting a scientifically rigorous study that will generate neutral, reliable, valid, and generalizable result. At the same time, it should allow some level of flexibility also.